I am not joking when I say that your calorie intake is the number one factor stopping you from either losing body fat or gaining size. So if you're going to do anything this year lifting wise, or make some kind of change in terms of your muscle growth, fuck man, even if you're a power lifter, a surplus is going to do you good. If you're going to make any change soon and really kind of, I'm not even talking like optimizing your diet like a fucking Olympic athlete, but I just mean getting a little bit more knowledgeable about what you're eating, how it's going to affect you, maybe eating specific foods at certain times instead of just eating randomly, because there is an allure to not giving a fuck. And I don't mean that in a mean way. It's like some dudes just want to come to the gym, work hard, and just eat what they want, and like that's just their shit. That's their prerogative.